Today we're gonna talk about launch control. I mean launch control. Today we have Mark IV Golf with the legendary 1.8 turbo engine. And of course, what is the first tuning that you can do on this engine? Well, pops and banks or launch control. What do you receive in the kit? We have a complete plug-and-play wiring for 1.8 turbo. We have the actual launch control. We have a button for the clutch, or you can use your own button. And of course, we have an installation guide. But let's be honest, who needs that? Is it hard to install? Not at all, it's that easy. The first thing that we have to do is remove the engine cover. There we go. Then we have to unplug the coils. And then of course we have to plug in the new installation. It's really easy, as we said. We have the male and the female. One goes in here on the original installation, and the other one goes in the coil. Like that. And then we continue with the rest. Here we go, the coils are done. And then on the other side of the cable we have the launch control, which is, really easy to be installed, like so. And the remaining cable, this is the ground cable. It has to be put somewhere on the ground. You have a button for the clutch pedal, you can attach it to here, or you can use your own button and put it on the dashboard. That's up to you. For this video we're gonna put it just on some boat where you can get a good ground and make the test. Once the ground is done, we have to adjust the settings on the launch control. The first setting is the RPM. You can set the RPMs to whichever level you want. It can be 4,000 or 5,000 RPMs. Next setting is miss. This is to increase the skipped spark events, or the ratatata. If you want to hear it more often, then increase it. If you want to be lower, then decrease it. Next setting is the delay. You can tune the spark delay. Be careful with this one, don't set it too much because it's quite dangerous for the engine. And now it's time for tests. Yes! Yes! Finally, I have pops and banks. Definitely, this is the best product that I've ever bought. As you saw, the installation was super easy. The launch control works perfect. I can set up the RPMs and the revs and the pops and banks. So I really love this product. That's amazing. Thank you, LDperformance, for that.